Last Tuesday, the City of Prairie Village held the second of a series of meetings regarding the plans for the rebuilding of the Harmon Skatepark. The city hired new line skate parks to redesign the existing skate park, and after the last meeting, they took the concerns of the public and designed 3 ideas. Just a few of the problems to consider were ensuring the skate park would be available to a diverse range of skill levels and ages, making the park durable and weather-resistant for years to come, designing a space that could be turned into a stage for events like the annual Prairie Village Jazz Festival, and it needed to incorporate rainwater runoff areas in the design. The community also requested that the existing art and memorials would be preserved during reconstruction. With these problems in mind, New Line Skate Parks designed 3 possible layouts. The first design was an all-street plaza layout with 2 main levels and a large area for the makeshift staging. All-street skate park designs are meant to emulate the street skating experience, and this would allow for an easy area for the beginners to learn. The second design is a plaza and enclosed bowl layout that features 3 main levels and a deep bowl on the south end of the park. This would allow for more flow riding through the park, and it keeps the bowl feature like the existing park has now. The third and final design is a snake run and street essentials layout, which means there's a shallow dip running through the length of the park that allows for quick flow and no push-off for the skaters. It also has plenty of plaza area and 2 large spaces available for staging. By show of hands, everyone at the meeting voted for which design was their favorite, and design 2 and 3 seemed to be most popular. But if you weren't at the meeting, you can vote for your favorite at pvkansas.com. Construction will begin following the third and final meeting, where New Line officials will present the final layout of Harmon Skate Park. The city is hoping to finish construction by the next Jazz Fest in the early fall of 2020.